Welcome to Best Choice. The best Pala Electrica Nieve Inalambrica is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners facing heavy snowfall, offering a powerful and convenient solution to clear driveways, sidewalks, and patios with remarkable ease and efficiency, saving you precious time and physical strain during harsh winter months. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ625E 15-amp corded electric snow blower. Tackle mid-sized driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snowblower makes clearing snow quick and simple. Enjoy the convenience of electric power. Forget about gas, oil, and messy tune-ups, even when the weather turns bad. Its robust motor moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. The adjustable chute directs snow up to 20 feet away. With a 21-inch wide and 12-inch deep clearing path, it efficiently removes snow in just one pass. Designed with compact wheels for effortless movement. Plus, an attached cord allows for extended reach with an optional extension cord. Don't let darkness stop you. An integrated LED light illuminates your path for safer operation in low-light conditions. What we like. This model boasts a robust 15-amp motor for rapid snow clearing. Its 21-inch width and adjustable chute make it ideal for mid-sized driveways. If you have a medium-sized area to clear and want efficient, hassle-free snow removal without dealing with gas, this is a great choice. What people say. It is very easy to use and the battery life is good. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and carry. It effectively removes snow from driveways and sidewalks. Number 4. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Shovel Kit. Tired of back-breaking snow shoveling? Introducing our powerful cordless snow shovel, designed for fast and effortless snow removal on your sidewalks, patios, and steps. Its tough auger clears an 11-inch wide path, throwing snow up to 20 feet. It can handle an 11-inch wide, 7-inch deep path with ease. Enjoy convenient operation with an efficient battery that clears up to 370 square feet per charge. Best of all, there's no need for gas or oil. Weighing just 11.8 pounds, its ergonomic dual-handle design ensures comfort and reduces strain. It's incredibly portable for easy handling. Experience efficient performance with a high-output motor that moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's perfect for clearing small to medium areas quickly. What we like. Experience ultimate freedom with this cordless snow shovel, powered by a 24V system. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to handle, perfect for smaller areas like decks and patios. If you prioritize portability and ease of use for quick cleanups, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very easy to use and the battery lasts a long time. The design is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It effectively removes snow from my car and driveway without any issues. Number 3. Earthwise SN70016 Electric Snow Shovel. Tackle heavy snowfall with this powerful electric snow shovel. Its robust 12-amp motor clears up to 430 pounds of snow per minute, offering gas-powered performance without the hassle. With a 16-inch clearing width and 8-inch cleaning depth, it efficiently removes snow from your pathways. It can throw snow up to 30 feet away, keeping your area clear. Designed for convenience, this snow machine features 6 rear wheels. This makes it incredibly easy to maneuver and transport, reducing physical strain during snow removal. It includes an auxiliary handle for better grip and control, along with a cord retention hook to keep the power cord secure. The dual curved auger blade ensures effective snow cutting. This corded snow shovel is built for reliable operation. It also features thermal protection, ensuring safe use even during extended snow clearing tasks. What we like. This electric snow shovel offers impressive power with its 12-amp motor, comparable to gas models. The 16-inch clearing width and convenient rear wheels enhance usability. If you're looking for a corded option that provides strong performance and is easy to maneuver for your walkways and smaller driveways, consider this. What people say. It is very easy to use and the battery lasts a long time. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and carry. It effectively removes snow from sidewalks and driveways, saving time and effort. Number 2. Ego Power Plus 21 Cordless Electric Snow Blower SN2102. Experience the ultimate in snow clearing with our advanced peak power technology. It combines the strength of two powerful batteries for unmatched performance. Our high-efficiency brushless motor delivers exceptional power and longevity. Enjoy a smoother, more powerful snow clearing experience every time. Tackle even the deepest snow with its impressive 21-inch clearing width. It can clear up to 8 inches of snow from a 10-car driveway with ease. Effortlessly throw snow up to 35 feet away. This allows you to clear your driveway quickly and efficiently, no matter the snow depth. Starting is as simple as pushing a button. You also have variable speed control to adjust its power to your exact needs. Don't let darkness stop you. Integrated LED headlights illuminate your path, ensuring safe and effective clearing even in low-light conditions. What we like. Harness the combined power of two 56V batteries for exceptional performance. This snowblower features a 21-inch clearing width and variable speed control for tailored snow removal. If you need serious power for larger driveways and want precise control over snow throwing, this high-performance option is worth considering. What people say. This is a great product, it works very well and is easy to use. I love this product, it is very convenient and saves me a lot of time. This product is a lifesaver, it has made my life so much easier. Number 1. Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Snow Shovel. Tackle tough winter days with noticeably more power than typical light-duty shovels. It's built to cut through wet, compacted, and deeper snow, not just dust off a light layer. Clear a wider and deeper path with every push. Its impressive clearing capacity lets you move more snow in fewer passes, reducing your time in the cold. Let the auger do the hard work for you. Simply glide it forward while it clears paths, steps, and driveways in minutes, saving your back and your schedule. A single charge can clear most 2 to 3 car driveways in typical snow conditions. Runtime may vary based on snow depth, density, and temperature. Weighing around 12 pounds with an ergonomic handle, it's easy to control. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation, no cords, no gas, no fumes. What we like. Tackle heavy, wet snow with the robust 40V brushless motor. Its 12-inch clearing width allows for more snow per pass, saving you time. If you frequently deal with dense snow and want a powerful yet lightweight cordless tool for steps, porches, and driveways, this shovel is built for the challenge. What people say. It is very easy to use, just press the button and it starts working. The battery life is excellent, I used it for over an hour on a single charge. It is very lightweight and easy to maneuver around the house. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.